Have you ever woken up feeling groggy or even a bit under the weather? You might be surprised to learn that your pillow could be the culprit. In this video, we're diving into the often overlooked topic of how your pillow might be making you sick. Many people don't realize that pillows can harbor allergens, dust mites, and bacteria, all of which can lead to a range of health issues. From sneezing and itchy eyes to poor sleep quality, the effects can be more significant than you think. We'll explore common health problems associated with pillows, including allergies and respiratory issues. If you find yourself waking up with a stuffy nose or experiencing nighttime coughing fits, it could be time to take a closer look at your pillow. Poor sleep quality is another major concern. An unsanitary or unsuitable pillow can disrupt your sleep cycle, leaving you feeling tired and irritable during the day. Pillow hygiene plays a crucial role in your overall wellness. We'll discuss how often you should clean or replace your pillow and share tips on maintaining a clean sleep environment. You might be surprised at how simple changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and sleep quality. So, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have practical solutions to enhance your sleep environment and ensure that your pillow is a source of comfort rather than a health hazard. Get ready to transform your sleep experience and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Let's start with understanding pillow-related health issues. When it comes to our sleep environment, pillows often get overlooked, yet they can be a breeding ground for various health concerns. One of the most common issues linked to pillows is the presence of allergens. Dust mites, tiny creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments, are notorious for making their homes in bedding, including pillows. These microscopic pests feed on dead skin cells and can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Symptoms may include sneezing, runny or stuffy nose, and itchy eyes, making it difficult to enjoy a restful night's sleep. Another significant concern is mold, which can develop in pillows that are not properly cleaned or stored. Mold spores can easily become airborne, leading to respiratory issues and allergic reactions. If you notice a musty smell coming from your pillow, it's a clear sign that mold may be present, and it's time to take action. Bacteria are another hidden threat that can accumulate on pillows over time. Our skin naturally sheds oils and cells, and when combined with sweat and saliva, it creates an ideal environment for bacteria to thrive. This buildup can lead to skin irritations, acne flare-ups, and even respiratory infections. Using an unhealthy pillow can result in a range of symptoms, from persistent headaches and fatigue to more severe allergic reactions. If you find yourself waking up with a sore throat, congestion, or unexplained skin issues, your pillow could be the source of the problem. Understanding these pillow-related health issues is the first step toward creating a cleaner, healthier sleep environment. Next, we'll explore how to combat these concerns effectively. Let's look at the signs that signal your pillow needs replacing. Knowing when to replace your pillow is essential for maintaining both your health and comfort during sleep. One of the most obvious signs that your pillow needs replacing is visible wear and tear. If you notice lumps, uneven surfaces, or a general loss of support, it's time to consider a new pillow. A pillow that no longer holds its shape can lead to poor neck alignment, resulting in discomfort and potential pain. Different types of pillows have varying lifespans, which is crucial to keep in mind. For instance, memory foam pillows typically last around 2 to 3 years, while down pillows can last a bit longer, often up to 5 years with proper care. Synthetic pillows may need replacing even sooner, usually within 1 to 2 years. Understanding these timelines can help you plan for replacements and ensure you're always sleeping on a supportive surface. Another important aspect to consider is how your pillow feels during use. If you find yourself waking up with neck pain, headaches, or allergies, it might be time to assess your pillow's condition. Regularly checking for signs of wear, such as discoloration or an unpleasant odor, can also indicate that your pillow has reached the end of its life. Try setting a reminder every 6 months to evaluate your pillow's condition and comfort level. By staying proactive about pillow maintenance, you can ensure a healthier sleep environment and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. 5 simple fixes for a healthier pillow. Improving your pillow hygiene doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 5 simple fixes that can help you maintain a healthier pillow and enhance your sleep quality. First and foremost, regular washing is essential. That's right, you can wash your pillows! Most pillows can be washed, but the method varies by type. For synthetic and down pillows, washing them every 3 to 6 months in warm water with a mild detergent is recommended. Memory foam pillows, on the other hand, should not be submerged in water. Instead, spot clean them with a damp cloth and mild soap and allow them to air dry completely. Always check the care label for specific instructions to ensure you're not damaging your pillow. For those with allergies or sensitivities, consider investing in hypoallergenic pillows. These pillows are designed to resist allergens like dust mites and mold, making them a great option for individuals prone to allergies. Materials such as latex or specially treated synthetic fibers can provide comfort without compromising your health. Another effective solution is to use pillow protectors. These protective covers act as a barrier against allergens, dust mites, and bacteria, significantly reducing exposure. They are easy to wash and can extend the life of your pillow by keeping it clean and fresh. Look for protectors that are breathable and waterproof for added comfort and protection. One more simple fix, you can do it to air out your pillow. Pillows need to breathe too. Every so often, take your pillow outside and give it some fresh air. This helps reduce moisture buildup and kills bacteria, especially if it's sunny. Just leave it out for a few hours, and it'll feel fresher when you lie down. Finally, when was the last time you replaced your pillow? If it's been more than 2 years, it's time for an upgrade. Over time, pillows collect dead skin cells, dust mites, and even mold, which can trigger allergies and make it hard to breathe. Not to mention, an old pillow loses its shape, affecting your posture and sleep quality. By incorporating these simple fixes into your routine, you can create a healthier sleep environment for yourself. As we wrap up our discussion on the often overlooked topic of pillow hygiene, it's clear that maintaining a healthy pillow is crucial for both better sleep and overall health. We've explored how pillows can harbor allergens, bacteria, and other irritants that can disrupt your rest and lead to various health issues. By recognizing the signs that your pillow needs replacing, understanding the lifespan of different pillow types, and implementing simple fixes, you can significantly improve your sleep environment. Now it's time for you to take action. Start by assessing your current pillows and implementing the cleaning tips we shared. Consider investing in hypoallergenic options or protective covers to enhance your sleep quality. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in creating a healthier sleep environment. If you found this video helpful, we'd love for you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights, like this video, to show your support. And share it with friends and family who might benefit from a healthier pillow. Together, we can spread the word about the importance of pillow hygiene and help everyone enjoy better sleep and improved well-being. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, more restful night's sleep.